Ben here, back out of the sawmill again. Now today, I've got a couple of walnut logs laying here. I think I'm going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to take one of these and slab it, 2-inch thick slabs. I'm going to put the log up on the sawmill and just cut it down and leave the live bark on the edges and everything and see how it comes out. I've got a couple of walnut logs. There are all those ones there on the edge of the frame there. You can see they're all walnut. So I think what I'm going to do is take one of them here. I'll lay it up on the sawmill. We'll see what it looks like. I'm just going to slab it down, and I'm going to post the slabs for sale and we'll see what I get out of them. And it'll be the first piece of lumber I ever sell off the sawmill. But I think maybe these pieces of walnut might be something other people are interested in. So I'm going to give it a shot. We'll put it up on the sawmill and see what some walnut slabs look like. Well, there we have it. 2-inch thick slabs, fresh off the mill. Live edge on both sides. Now that log was just under 9 foot. It was actually an inch under 9 foot. So it's just a little short, but it's got some nice crotch figure in there. It's a small log. It's only about 12 inches wide there, but it's got some really nice figure in there. I can see why people like that for their projects. That interwoven grain pattern there. If I go from the edge out there over to here, I got about 17 inches there. Most of it's about 12 inches wide, maybe just a little over. Now that one there is 12 inches. You can see where it gets a little thin there, but some people maybe will cut that out and only use from here down. You know, that particular piece right there is probably not ideal. But these other two came out really nice. It's got some great looking grain in there. Nice pattern to it. Now that one there is just a little bit wider, about 13 inches. Like I said, they're all just under 9 foot, long. About maybe an inch and a half under 9 foot. Believe it or not, that's actually, I've owned my sawmill now for about 1.5 years. I bought it in September of 2016, so I've had the mill for about 1.5 years. Most of the projects that I do, I want 1x lumber, just dimensional lumber, 1 inches thick, run it through the planer, use it as 3/4 inch boards, and just make whatever I'm after to make. So I've got a pretty good stack of lumber now, where I've got oak and ash and maple and walnut. I've got a little bit of everything out there in dimensional lumber right now. So I've got these walnut logs I've cut, and I cut the tree down is what I mean to say. And now I've got the log sitting here, and I really don't have a big desire for 1-inch lumber right now. So I figured I'll take this log and I'll slap it down to 2-inch thick slabs, and I'll post it up on the internet and see if anybody's interested in it. Now the real question is, how much am I going to get out of these? Now these are green. The tree was just fresh cut about a month ago, so it's not kiln dried lumber. And as you can see, some of the boards there don't have all the, you know, they're not exactly A-grade boards. They have a little bit of a bow to them, and you know, they're not top-notch stuff here. 12 inches thick. They're not 20 or 30 inches thick. So I think I'm going to shoot for about 75 bucks a board. If I can get $75 a slab out of them, you know, I think that would probably be right about ballpark where they should be. I think you probably get twice that out of them. I think you probably post them for 150 a slab, and some people would probably be interested in them. If they were kiln dried, I'd definitely post them for that. But being that they're green, I think I'm going to shoot for 75 bucks a slab, and we'll see how that goes. I'll let you know if I sell them or not. But that'll be the first log that I slabbed up and actually posted for sale. So we'll see how this goes. Maybe I will make some money out the sawmill, I don't know. We'll see. But for right now, you know, I'm happy with getting the dimensional lumber to make my projects, and I have these cut at just a little over 2 inches thick. They're about 2 1/4. So I figure I've got the kerf of the saw blade in there where I can take these laying back down and cut them down to 1-inch wide boards. If I can't sell them, I have a hard time selling them, I'll just let them dry, and then after some time passes, if I can't sell them, I'll just slab them back down to 1-inch boards and stand them up and cut the edges off of them and make some boards out of them. and we'll make some projects from them. So there's no loss here either way. I've got enough there where I could cut the kerf of the saw blade out and still have 1 inch thick boards. So it's a win-win. I think it'll be interesting to see if they sell or not. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll keep you posted on how they do. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.